converted to this doctrine. It's about of course, the reason I'm going to share this is related to the subject. Maybe some of you are familiar, some are not. I've heard this kind of doctrine, and of course, later I'm going to share my side on that. Okay, this is the church age, and supposedly, of course, there's something involved in the church age booklet also. Ayan na sumulat. Wala nang bago. Ito. Okay. There were visitors in our church. My pastor heard from them over, then dumating si